In the name of God. Hello, my dear friends. I'm Rosa, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful teddy knot pillow. I have learned this model before in velvet fabric, but this fabric is new. We call it teddy. Watch the video completely to see how do I make it. Subscribe to my channel and like the video. What do we need? Today I'm going to use this fabric. It is called teddy and it is two-sided and a little bit stretchy from the width. I need a scissor, a pen. This is my pattern that I use, and its width is about 18 centimeters. We need a polyca pipe for filling the pillow, a cane that is half cane almost, and about 1 kilogram of polyester fibers. Okay, as you see, I cut the fabric, but I increase the width of the cuts because it's not stretchy and it's different from the fabrics that I used before. I usually cut in the width of 17 centimeters, but in this time the width of the fabric cuts is 19 centimeters. So pay attention carefully. Now I'm going to sew the fabrics with my overlooked 4-thread sewing machine. Continue watching. As you see, I filled the braid. The length of the braid is 375 centimeters and the diameter of the braid is about 7 centimeters. Start to tie with me. One, two, three, four. Now, we should sew these two together. I'll sew it in front of you. So continue watching. As you see, it is finished. It is so soft and beautiful. It's brand new and so lovely. So try to make it at home and enjoy having that. I sewed the head and the tail together and covered it with a leather. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.